to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. As all of us are going through a lot of stress, it is very important to take care of ourselves and surround us with positive vibes. Today I will share a few tips and ideas I follow to protect the family's physical and mental health during this pandemic. Let's get started. Stick to a routine. With many of us still working from home and children having online classes, it is important to have a routine to prevent unnecessary chaos. It is advisable to go to bed and wake up at the same time as our pre-pandemic schedules. The extra time we get in the morning can be used for enhancing our health by starting a simple exercise routine. You can begin with easy yoga and pranayama routines that helps us to de-stress. Don't hesitate to ask for help. With restrictions still in place, many of us are managing all the household chores without house help or maids. If we try to do all the work by ourselves, it will leave us drained out, which leads to frustrations and arguments. I would recommend to make use of this time to train the children in age-appropriate life skills like drying out clothes, washing the cutlery they use for eating, loading the washing machine, cooking and dusting or helping with cleaning the house. All this can keep them away from gadgets for some time, and at the same time they will also understand the responsibility of helping each other. Pursue your hobbies or reinvent your passion. Owing to lack of time in our busy schedules, we would have not given any importance to pursue our hobbies and interests. Make use of this opportunity to spend time for those activities which will make us feel happy. It could be something like music, photography, painting, baking, or easy crafts. Make family time more meaningful. For the past few months, weekends have been restricted inside homes. That doesn't mean it is not fun. Plan activities for all the family members to take part, like playing Antakshari, board games, passing the secret, or a quiz on even mythological stories. If you have access to a terrace, you can make use of it. It would be a great way to relax on a weekend. Declutter your home and mind. Spend 15 to 20 minutes a day to declutter your space. Choose any corner of the house. Segregate items into 3 categories: donate, trash, or reuse. You will find that we have been hoarding many items which we have not used for years or worn out things unfit for use. Set a timer for 20 minutes, and once that scheduled time is over, move on to another task. This way you will not lose interest in the work or spend a long time in the same activity. Switch on to favorite music or hear to podcasts when you do such chores to motivate yourselves. Now to declutter the mind. Call and speak to someone who could be a friend or relative whom you have not heard for a long time. It makes them feel special and dispels the negative thoughts around us. Engaging in chat and talk with our friends is a sure way to energize the mind and body in a positive way. Small changes make a big difference. Turn every challenge into an opportunity to spread the compassion and positive vibes. We have begun feeding a few stray dogs in our locality during this lockdown. It gives us immense happiness to see its hunger satisfied. You can also set up a small kitchen garden. Begin with seeds from your own pantry, like coriander, methi, or chili. The twigs from store-bought mint and spinach which we planted started giving us a bounty now. Try out simple decor changes. It brings in a lot of positive energy into our homes. It could be as simple as lighting a scented candle or using an aroma oil diffuser. You can play any religious mantra or songs in the morning or evening, or chant if you can, to keep away negative thoughts. Make healthier choices in your diet and try to avoid ready-made food loaded with preservatives and chemicals. Spend some time for yourselves. Try out Grandma's beauty tips from the kitchen, like a simple face pack to hair spa with the things we have at home. You will see the natural glow returning to your skin, which will thank you for not using harsh chemicals. Most important of all, appreciate and encourage everyone at home. It makes them happy to help and motivate them to do their best. During such testing times, believe this is a phase which we will tide over successfully. Let the humane side of us grow and dispel the darkness of ignorance and arrogance. Let us be the spark of positive thoughts which spreads around us. If you would like to make a small difference in your loved one's life, do share this video to make them feel happy and special. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.